welcome back to my video. As y'all already know by the title, this is my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine, my morning skincare routine. But before I get to this video and show y'all everything that I do in the morning and the night, I just want to say, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're returning to my channel, just go ahead and comment, like, share this video. But I just wanted to add to that, I had to add this skincare routine to my channel because, I mean, this had to be a part of my Women Chat Wednesday because we love to have flawless skin. I mean, who doesn't? You know, that's why we go so hard with our skincare routine. That's why a lot of people do watch what they eat and drink. And that's why some people like to wear makeup, because we really love how our skin and stuff looks. We want it to look smooth, shiny, all of that. And you know, your skincare routine definitely can contribute to that. Another thing is, I had to add this because I just wanted to give y'all another tip. Wash your pillows and wash your covers. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all already know to clean your covers and pillows, but the reason I say that is because that can contribute to skincare. Because if you're not washing your pillows and covers as often as you should, that can also, you know, contribute to the buildup on your skin and stuff at night when you sleep, as well as contribute to acne. Another thing that I wanted to add is, no matter what you put on your face, morning or night, at the end of the day, it's also about what you put in your body. You can't be eating crazy and eating a bunch of chips and candy and drinking a bunch of sodas all day, and then your skincare routine, what you put on, is A1, but how you drink and eat, it's a whole nother story. And you're wondering why, oh, this doesn't work or that doesn't work, or you got to use 10, 15 different things on your face just for something to work. If that'll even help. At the end of the day, you still got to drink a lot of water. You still can't go too crazy on sweets and stuff like that for your skin to really flourish the way that it's supposed to. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. So right here, I'm just showing you all that I am washing my hands. I'm using the Milk and Honey hand soap because you want to make sure your hands is clean before touching your face. You don't want to transfer any extra dirt and all of that. I am wetting my face before washing it because that's what the directions tell you to do. And you want to make sure you use lukewarm water. Even when I'm washing my face off, I'm going to also be using lukewarm water. I am using Burt's Bees Sensitive Face Wash line. You'll see the products that I'm using because I'll continue to show you all through the video. But I am using a scrub in the morning because you reap the best benefits in the morning, because the oils on our skin does produce overnight, and it helps us to remove all impurities, dead skin, and the oils when you exfoliate in the morning. I used to think nighttime was best, but actually the morning is the best. Plus, it helps using the scrub does help your skin to look brighter and improves the effectiveness of the topical skin care and enhancing absorption. So yeah, you always want to make sure that you do use your scrub in the morning, but don't be rough on your face when you are using a scrub.
Kind of vibe that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really
I am using the Be Natural Honey Wildflower, pure, unfiltered, and uncooked. Sorry about the lighting, but that's the honey that I'm using. I did just damp my face because in order to even apply the honey, your face must be damp or you won't even be able to spread it onto your face. When I tell y'all this is the holy grail and will never get old, I mean it, because honey has a lot of benefits to it. You can even Google it if you need to, but it really helps with giving that natural glow to your skin. It helps with pimples and any scars and stuff on your face. I also apply the honey to my lips because it helps with cracked lips or anything like that. And when using honey, you must let it sit on your face for at least 10 or 15 minutes for it to properly work. So I will be letting it sit for 10 minutes. And the reason I'm showing you all the honey is because I do use honey in my face wash routine. I only use the scrub in the morning for 3 days out the week. And on the other days in the morning, I use the honey. Chemistry, I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. Okay, y'all, so that's all that I have for this video today. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you need anything to comment because you want to ask any questions or any good tips that you may have for anybody else, make sure you comment that down below. And I just hope that y'all enjoyed this video and that y'all come back and, you know, come join my channel again, because I will be uploading. And I'll see y'all next time.